Hi everyone, this is my presentation of my describing my family. This is my name is Caterine Ortega Gaviria. I am 26 years old. I am quality auditor since 2017. I live in Fusagasugá. I student food engineer and my favorite hobby is running in the mountain. My family, my parents, she is Maria Mercedes Gaviria. She's my mother. She is 56 years old, and he is my father, Antonio Jose Ortega Ramirez. He from Fusagasugá, and he's 62 years old. And this is my daughter, Janice Núñez Ortega. She's 7 years old. She's a skater and is my beloved. My mom is from Pereira Risaralda, and this is my family. My brother, his name is Alexander Ortega Gaviria. He is 36 years old and he's an artist. He lives in Florencia, Caquetá. And this is my niece. She is a daughter of my brother and he's on my lover. She name is Gabriela Ortega and she is 11 years old and she lives in Bogota. Thank you so much.